Good morning everyone. So I am here to discuss about mask text box. What is a mask text box? It is a text box that uses mask to distinguish proper and improper user inputs. Unlike to the normal text box where you can input anything you want, here in mask text box, if you input invalid prompts, then it will not display or it will not be accepted by the text box. Like for example, if you want the user will only input numbers, then it will only read numbers. What are the advantages of using mask text box? It prevents user errors and improve the accuracy of data entry. So like what I said earlier, if you want the user will only input numbers, then it will only accept numbers. The other one is it is easier to enter data in the correct format. For example, if you want to input a decimal number and you accidentally press the dot button 2 times, it will only read 1 time. Because there is no number using 2 decimal points. And if they let you to input 2 decimal points, then it will lead you to an error. And now let's talk about its one property, the mask text box mask property. This property will help you to check or to determine which prompt is invalid or valid. For example, if you want your user to input only numbers, then you can set the mask into numeric 5 digits. And if you want a phone number, then you can also set in a phone number. And this is the example of the phone number mask. And this is for the date mask. And here's the other property that you should always remember, the test mask format. There are 4 test mask format options here. The first one is include literals. What do you mean by literals? For example, your mask includes slash or dashes, then if you want to input it, or if you want to read it, or if you want to print out it, then it will also include those dashes or slash. The other one is include prompt. The other one is include prompt. Those underlines or those underscores that you can see in the text box, those are the prompts. You can change the prompts anything you want in the properties. The next one is include prompts and literals. So that's what, like I said earlier, it will also include the dashes, the slash, and the underscores. And lastly, exclude prompt and literals. So it will print out just a plain number. For the other mask text box mask property, you can check the link that I provided. If you have any questions, then I will answer it live. And that's all. Thank you.